Hey guys, Pete Sohm over here at MarineMax Brick. Today we're going to do a quick walkthrough on our 2025 Sea Ray 23 SPX outboard. I'll let Frank give you a nice shot of the hull here. We did do a two-tone hull on this. We have a horizon hull color with a black bottom. You can also see the trailer that is with this boat. Sports arch, which we can look at a little bit more in detail inside the cockpit. We have a gray sea deck here on the swim platform. Black Mercury 200. Making our way in. Again, you can see that sea deck kind of working our way inside the boat. Different flooring inside, but this is the stone color interior. On the back here we have a nice aft-facing lounger with tow bar, or ski tow bar, excuse me. Really spacious storage compartment here. We have our board here for our bow filler in the front. We did opt for the stainless steel upgrade in this boat too, so all of our cup holders are stainless steel, our grab handles are stainless steel. Again, that really nice stone color interior with the infinity woven flooring. We have twin captain's chairs, port and starboard. Our head compartment. This is the smallest Sea Ray with a head. At the helm here, we're going to have our digital Simrad display, our Fusion stereo, all of our switching. And then making our way up to the front. Again, storage under both seats, so this is going to be mirrored on the other side as well. Here's our anchor locker. This is insulated, so we can load this up with ice. Have a few drinks on board. All right, guys, again, this is the 2025 Sea Ray 23 SPX outboard here at MarineMax Brick. Thank you for your time. I'll see you on the water.